Hi there, welcome back to another PriceCP Roblox Studio tutorial. You can see inside my game I have a leaderboard, and every time I touch this part right here, I get a point for touching this part. So now I have 11 points. But look what happened when I die. When I touch this red box here, it kills me, but it doesn't reset my score. So my score is still 11 and now it's still going up. My score was not reset back to 0 when I die. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how to reset the score, the player score, when the player dies. And we're going to learn how to use the character humanoid died event in Roblox. In your game, just go to the service script service and insert a script. And in your script, just enter the following lines. Here we have a player added event. And we're creating the leaderboard for every player that joins the game. And here we have a character added event. Inside the character added event, we have the character humanoid died event. So whenever the character dies, it's gonna fire this character humanoid died event, and it's gonna execute whatever code you have inside this function. In this case, we want to reset the player's score back to 0 every time the character dies. Now play test and take a look. So remember before, when the player dies, the score was not reset back to 0. So now I'm gonna go and score some points here. I got 4 points, but now if I happen to die inside the game, you can see my score here has been reset back to 0. Guys, that is how you reset the player's score back to 0 when the player dies, and that is how you use the character humanoid died event in Roblox.